Hey guys! Today we're talking play kits that are fun, educational, and keep the kids engaged. So maybe you can check your email
without feeling guilty.
Exactly. I'm Lizzie, and I love talking with my mom friends about products that make your life easier. I'm so excited to have Tamara Krinsky with us today. She is a mom, a writer, and an actress, and she's also host of Tomorrow's World Today on the Science Channel.
Thank you so much for having me.
So, are you ready to play?
I'm always ready to play.
First up, circuit clay.
I really like this because it's a great way to teach your kids about LEDs, electricity, battery power in a hands-on way.
Good job!
Ta-da! And plus, you get to make cool things like this little dragon, which lights up when the fire comes out of its mouth.
Next up, we have marker maker.
Now, our kids loved making these, from creating their own colors to naming them and even creating your own marker box. However, it is one of the kits that can be a little messier, so you're gonna wanna supervise.
I can agree.
And so let me just get this straight. Crayola makes markers.
Yeah.
And now we're paying Crayola for our kids to do their job for them. I see you, Crayola. I see you. Next up, we have KiwiCo. My girls love this.
Mine too. Now, this is a monthly subscription crate that is based on your child's age.
Now, my preschooler got the Koala crate, which was farm themed, and it had a memory vegetable game. That's so cool. And so my 6-year-old got the Kiwi crate, which was based on My Body and Me.
These are our tibias.
Now, did she actually make this stethoscope?
Bam! Yes, she did.
It's going very fast.
That's probably true, because kids' heartbeats are a lot faster than adults.
These are real.
Now we have the magic kit.
25 tricks, instructions, and props for all of them.
Abracadabra.
Nice!
Here we go. You ready?
I'm ready.
Check it out. Brought you a snack.
Thank you.
They're all gone.
This is gonna be the reaction that you have for 25 tricks, guys. Here we have OSMO KIT. Now, if you feel guilty about your kids having screen time, we found the antidote.
So Osmo is an interactive system that works with an iPad, and it's got all kinds of learning games with it. So everything from tangrams to math games, word games. Lizzie has found the drawing portion of it.
I'm trying. I have to remind myself I'm an adult. Hey, pretty good.
Oh, wow. Yeah, she taught me how to do that.
And terrariums. If your kid has a budding green thumb, then this is the perfect kit for you.
It is a great way to teach your kid about earth science, botany, ecosystems.
And responsibility. You want a puppy? Keep your plants alive for a week. Next up, we have a crystal growing kit.
Now, this is a great kit for teaching about geology and crystal formation. That said, I would advise it for older kids because you have to use very hot water and you have to follow the instructions precisely to get the crystals to grow.
Now we have a pendant jewelry making kit.
Now, this is really cool. You can make all kinds of pendants with all different pictures that they provide, and it was really easy to use.
Mommy, look at me.
This is all really cool. I kind of want to make one for myself.
Well, what picture would you put in?
I'll put a phrase that says, "Mom is a name, not a request."
Could you make one of those for me too?
Done and done. All right, guys, well, we have one more magic trick for you. It's time for us to disappear. Ready? Tamara? I did it wrong. Bye, guys.